Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use our lip and cheek colors to add some fun little summer pops and peekaboo strips into hair. So I'm going to use a few different colors. This one's Dahlia, and then we have pink grapefruit, but I'm going to demo with maybe Hollywood today so you can see a little bit of a lighter one. They will wash out, but it does depend on the condition of your hair, the health and condition of it as to how quickly they'll wash out. Probably like 2 to 3 washes, but again, that is going to depend on the condition of your hair. So I'm gonna take just a little strip of her hair like this and stick my finger into the color and just start painting it on to her hair. And depending on how far you want it to go up and if it's gonna pop through a braid or anything like that. On the darker color up here, you can see it's not gonna be quite as dark, but as you get into the lighter colors, the lighter part of her hair, it'll start to show quite a bit more. And you wanna just go with the grain of the hair like this. Don't go back up the hair. Just kind of pull it all the way down through, working it even to the very end of your hair. And these just add like a fun, you guys have all seen the chalk paint or the hair paint or the semi-permanent colors that you can wash in. It's basically the same thing, but you probably already have it on hand, and they are so much cheaper at only $14, and you can do this multiple times. I've like hardly used any of my lip and cheek color to do this. Like you can see, it still looks full. So I've hardly used any of it, and it's just a fun way to do it. So I'm gonna use, after I've done it, I'm just gonna go right through with a comb and just kind of make sure I've got the amount that I want. And I'll pull her little braid back. And now she's got some fun summer pops of peekaboos in her hair. Okay, so there you have it. This can literally be done with any of our lip and cheek creams. Just have fun, be creative with the colors, and do something fun for summer. Thanks for joining me. I'm Amanda Hill. We'll see you next time.